Hello children, I'm back. I hope you all are ready to start our class. Are you all enjoyed in the holidays? Yes, my dear. Yeah, Dasara holidays. You all have enjoyed a lot, I think. Now it's time to come back to our studies. Holidays are over. Now we need to learn. We need to gain knowledge. Am I right? Yeah. So, are you all ready to start? Okay, my dear. Now, then, to start, what we have to do? We have to be very energetic. Am I right? Then, along with only energy is sufficient to start to learn? No. What we need? We need the concerned book also. English textbook. Take your textbooks also, my dear. Okay? Are you all ready with your textbooks? Then, before the holidays, I hope you all have written FA1 exams very well. You all have answered everything what I have explained. Am I right? Yeah, you all are very good students, very good children. So, I know you all will write very well. Then, in the FA1 syllabus, we have completed only one lesson. Am I right? Only one lesson we have completed. What's the lesson? The monkey orchestra. Am I right? Now, from today, from this class, we are going to start our SA1 syllabus, my dear. SA1 syllabus. SA1 syllabus. Okay, for that we have second, third lessons. For SA1 syllabus we have second and third lessons. Okay, so now on that SA1 syllabus we are going to start our second lesson, and the name of that second lesson is Frogs at School. Name of the second lesson is Frogs at School. So, have you ever seen a frog? Frog. Yeah, we know frogs very well. We can see in our home, outside our homes. Am I right? Near our water tanks or around or at the surroundings of our home, we see frogs. Yeah. So, no need to show the picture of frog now. Or else if you want, I will show. Okay. See, here the frogs are. See, all these frogs. Frogs at school means, isn't it odd? Isn't it odd? We all go to school, it is okay. Children will go to school, it is okay. But frogs are going to school, isn't it odd, my dear? But yes, frogs are going to school. See, this is a poem, my dear. Frogs at School is a poem. It's not a lesson. So, who wrote this poem? The name of that poet is George Cooper. Name of the poet is George Cooper. See, my dear, you have to listen very carefully. At the end of every video, every class, I'll ask you questions related to the topic what I have explained. Okay, నేను ప్రతి వీడియో ఎండ్లో క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతాను. ఏమైతే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశానో వాటిలోనే క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతాను. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఆన్సర్ ఇట్. ఓకే, సో లిసన్ హియర్. Frogs at School is a poem. It's not a lesson. Okay, so and the poet of that poem is Frogs at School is George Cooper. Okay, the name of that poet is George Cooper. And this George Cooper is explaining us about frogs going to school. How they are going to school, what they are wearing, what the rules they are making, all these. Okay, now we all have rules to go school. Am I right? We have to wear uniform, shoes, belt, ID card with a neat and proper uniform, neat haircut. We all have rules for school. Am I right? So like that, here these frogs also have some rules. No one is making rules for them. They themselves are deciding. And then how they are going, what is their uniform, how the uniform is. About all these, here this poet explained us. Okay, so shall we quickly start our poem? Are you all ready? Yeah. Now page number 9. Open page number 9. Okay, now see. 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushing pool. How many froggies are there? 20 froggies. Here this poet is saying about 20 froggies. 20 froggies, and they are going to school. Where the school is? Near 14 number Basti. Then where? Where the school is? It's down beside a rushing pool. Rushing pool is nothing but, my dear, flowing of water. Okay. Pool pakkana. Okay. So 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushing pool. 20 little coats of green. 20 little coats of green. How the color of those coats? Green. Green colored coats they wear. How the uniform is? With green color coat. In our school also, our high school children, our high school brothers and sisters wear coat. Okay. So how the color is? It's nothing but somewhat nearby brown. Am I right? So here the frogs also wearing a coat, and the color of that coat is green. Then 20 vests, all white and clean. 20 vests means shirt and trousers, shirt and pant. It's all white and clean, white colored shirt, white colored bottom, and with green color coat. How the uniform? In first stanza, in first 4 lines, here poet is explaining about the place of school and the uniform of the frogs. Okay. How the uniform is? The uniform is all vest, white and clean vest with green coat. And where the school is? Down beside a rushing pool. Ante oka pool, oka nadi. It's not nadi అనకూడదు, రషింగ్ పూల్, చిన్న కాలువ లాగా ఉంది. సో డౌన్ బిసైడ్ కాలువ పక్కన we can see a small dams like that. So beside the rushing pool, there is a school where these froggies are going. These froggies went to there. Okay, so listen once again. 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushing pool. 20 little coats of green coats. 20 vests, all white and clean. Once again I'll read the first stanza. 20 froggies went to school. How many froggies went to school? 20 froggies went to school. Where they went? To the school. And where the school is? Down beside a rushing pool. Beside means pakkana. Okay, pakkana. Oka pool pakkana. Chinna kaluva laga undi. A kaluva pakkana school. Okay, down beside a rushing pool. 20 little coats of green. How the coats are? Little. And the color is green color coats. And 20 vests, all white and clean. Vest means shirt and pant, shirt and knicker, all are white and the coat is green, all white and clean vest. Okay, do you understand now? Once again, look into the textbooks. I'll explain only 4 lines, only one stanza in this video. 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushing pool. 20 little coats of green, 20 vests all white and clean. Okay, so in this I'll give you some hard words. Only 4 lines, only first stanza. First stanza only I'm giving hard words, okay? You just learn it, my dears. Learn it, that's it. Twenty. Froggies. School. Rushing pool. Next. Coats. Green. Vests. Clean. White. Okay, look at the board. 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20, F-R-O-G-G-I-E-S, froggies, S-C-H-O-O-L, school, R-U-S-H-I-N-G, rushing, P-O-O-L, pool, C-O-A-T-S, coats, G-R-E-E-N, green, V-E-S-T-S, vests, C-L-E-A-N, clean, W-H-I-T-E, white. Okay, my dears, these are the hard words for you. And do you know rhyming words? Do you know rhyming words? See, rhyming words is nothing but, my dear, the word which sounds same but the meaning is different. Okay, say ఒకేలా సౌండ్ చేస్తాయి అంటే పిలిచినప్పుడు ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేసినప్పుడు ఒకేలాగా ఉంటుంది, కాకపోతే మీనింగ్ అండ్ స్పెల్లింగ్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్. ఓకే, సౌండ్ చేసిన పిలిచినప్పుడు ఐ మీన్ ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేసినప్పుడు వెన్ వి ప్రొనౌన్స్ it sounds same and but the meaning and the spelling is different. So we have rhyming words in this poem also. First, in these first 4 lines, see, I'll read once again. Now you have to say which words sound same. Okay, inchuminchu okela sound chese words emunayo you have to identify. Okay, 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushing pool. See here, school, pool, isn't it? These both are sounding same. Am I right? School, pool, okela sound ostundi kada koncham inchuminchu last lo. So that is rhyming word. Rhyming word means sounds almost same but the meaning and the spelling is different. Okay, now I'll write rhyming word here. In this 4 lines we have 2 rhyming words. First one, school. What's the rhyming word of school? It's on second line. See, to remember easily the last words. The last words of each line is rhyming word itself. See, look at the first line, school, and second line, last word, pool. School, pool. Next one. 20 little coats of green. 20 little coats of green. 20 little coats of green. 20 vests, all white and clean. See here, green. Last word again, clean. Very good. See, these are the two rhyming words which we have in 4 lines. That is first stanza. Okay, now I want to ask you some questions. I hope you all listen to me properly. Okay, so how many froggies went to school? How many froggies went to school? 18. No, then how many? 20 froggies. 20 froggies went to school. And where they went to school? Where the school is? And the school is beside a rushing pool. Am I right? Beside a rushing pool. And how the coat is, how the uniform of those froggies? How the uniform is? Vest with all white and clean, and the coat is green. Little coat is green. Am I right? Vest is white and vests are white and clean. See, my dear, learn these 4 lines properly. And in the next class, I will ask you questions regarding these 4 lines. Okay, I may ask rhyming words. Maybe I may ask these hard words, spelling of those hard words, or I may ask you to read the 4 lines. Okay, learn properly and be ready for the next class. Okay, my dears. See, once again I am going to read these 4 lines. Don't close your book. Open it and look into your textbooks. Open your textbooks. Don't close it. Open your textbooks and look into the page number 9. First line. 20 froggies. 20 froggies went to school. Down beside a rushing pool. 20 froggies went to school. Down beside a rushing pool. 20 little coats of green. 20 vests, all white and clean. 20 vests, all white and clean. Okay, so you have to learn all these 4 lines. Hard words, rhyming words, everything. Learn these 4 lines. Okay, my dear. So, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.